onto the plate. The cashew. Salt. Thoroughly salt. Salt cashew. Put in salt. Salt to become brown. Now take off the pan and on the plate put in the cumin seeds. Salt. Put in the banana pieces. Sort the cumin seeds and the banana pieces together. Put in the rice. Pour in around 200 ml water. Put in 5 spoons of sugar. Put in the nuts and the dried grapes. Mix and let this mixture cook and boil for around 25 minutes. Thoroughly stir until the sugar dissolves. Now pour in around 100 ml of milk. Mix and let this mixture boil. Let this mixture boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now the mixture has started to boil. Let this boil for 3 to 4 minutes. So put in the nuts and dried grapes as toppings. Now the cumin, banana, rice, milk soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. Cumin, banana, rice, milk soup. for cumin, banana, rice, milk. Desert soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the desert recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the kanji recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice soup recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.